If once she and her little family left there, they would never return, comma. Of that she was certain, full stop. And it was of that possible going away that she thought so seriously as she sat by the little window on that peaceful June day, full stop. Father had been offered a good position in the city and, comma, while he said that he would do whatever she wished in the matter, comma, while he left it to her to say yes or no, comma. He desired very, comma, very much to take up the position, and she knew that this was so, full stop. Nor did she think him wrong, full stop. He had, comma, she knew, comma, a good, comma, quick mind, comma, a mind that was never still, comma, a mind ever at work on some idea or another, full stop. On the long nights of the long writers, he would read his books and work out ideas and plans, comma, and in the mornings he would go off to his work, which made no demands at all upon that clear mind, full stop. His voice was never heard speaking against his work or his way of life, comma, but because she loved him, she knew that deep inside him was the desire for something more than that easy, comma, peaceful life gave him, full stop. A month ago, two gentlemen from the big city had called at his office in connection with some business, and out of that call had come this offer of employment at a recent of pay that would offer them great advantages, full stop. There would be money for better education for the children, comma, which was a big consideration, full stop. On the other hand, comma, thought the woman, comma, the good health of the children might be lost if they lived near the city with no fields to play in, comma, no river by which to fish, comma, no well-known friends, full stop. Her brother's children were very weakly, and they had been brought up in a big town, full stop. On and on went the thoughts, full stop. Father had said that she must be the one to say yes or no, comma, but thinking of him, she would have to say yes, full stop. If, comma, however, comma, she told him that he must be the one to say yes or no, he would think of her and say no, full stop. I must begin to sort our things out, comma, she said, full stop. Father must have his opportunity, full stop. He has worked so hard for it, full stop.